Hi, everyone! Today we're featuring Dazuma's premium waterproof wall lamps for indoor and outdoor use. The package includes one accessory kit and one hanging lamp unit. First, remove the 4 mounting screws from the base of the product and store them securely. Remove the base plate from the base. Place the base plate at the location where you plan to install the wall, lamp, and mark the position. Then use an electric drill to drill holes. Drive the nail sleeve into the hammered hole. Please connect the power cord on the product base to your power supply. Please mount the base onto the wall and install the mounting screws. Install the product lampshade, ensuring the orientation matches our instructions. Please reinstall the 4 mounting screws from the product bases that were previously removed. Product installation completed. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.